It'll blighter up. See how we get on. Either I'm going to be a laughing stock or it's going to work. There we go, turn the lights off. How fantastic is that? All from that little base there. Nice.